Once upon a time, 130 million years ago, much of Australia was submerged under a shallow sea. As the land mass started to rise out of the sea, the saltwater flowed away from the emerging land back into the ocean. The mighty Murray River was born.
Today, the water in the Murray River system naturally carries salt from the ground and water sources as it flows, from southern Queensland to the eastern highlands of New South Wales and Victoria through to South Australia.
Salt becomes part of the natural landscape from wind, dust and natural breakdown of rocks and the ancient ocean sediments.
The salt eventually finds its way into these waterways. It's not possible to prevent this salt from making its way into the Murray-Darling Basin river system. But once it enters the system, the only way for the salt to naturally leave is through the mouth of the Murray.
Did you know managing salinity is one of the biggest challenges in the Murray-Darling Basin? If it's not properly managed, salinity degrades water quality, hinders plant growth, reduces biodiversity and agricultural productivity. It means poor quality water is available for human consumption.
In fact, if the levels of salt in the water were allowed to keep rising, the water would soon become too salty. It would start to kill the plants and animals that inhabit the rivers and their surrounding and permanently damage the environment.
Farmers would be unable to water their crops and it would become unsuitable for animal and human consumption. We must closely monitor and carefully manage salinity levels in our rivers to ensure that they are suitable for people, plants and animals.
In 1988, the states of New South Wales, Victoria and South Australia, together with the Australian government, funded the construction of salt interception schemes.
These schemes prevent approximately 500,000 tonnes of salt each year entering the Murray River. Together with improved irrigation practices and river dilution flows, salinity has reduced in the river systems. We work closely with government authorities to access the brine water, which is pumped here to the Morquong mitigation site.
This natural resource is then used to create the award-winning Murray River Pink Salt Flakes, a premium gourmet food product that chefs, restaurant owners and foodies from around the globe love, all whilst contributing to protecting our environment from the detrimental effects of salinity.
Choose 100% Australian made and owned. Choose sustainable and environmentally friendly. Choose premium taste and texture. Choose Australia's only naturally pink salt. Choose Murray River Salt.